Hi, I'm Jerry Payne, your confidential ghostwriter. Today, I want to talk about what a ghostwriter is and when you may need one. First, let me tell you what a ghostwriter is not. A ghostwriter is not a person who writes ghost stories, and you'd be surprised at how many people think that it is. A ghostwriter very simply writes for other people. Books, articles, speeches, blogs, you name it. But isn't that somehow unethical? No. As long as the ideas being communicated through the books or articles belong to the person whose name is on the writing. All the ghostwriter is doing behind the scenes is putting those ideas into words. He's just a vehicle, the bus that gets the person who has the ideas to where he or she wants to go. Did you know that more than half the books in your local bookstore have been written by ghostwriters? It's true. For the most part, without the ghostwriters, the authors of those books would never have been able to find their voice, if you will. That's what a ghostwriter does. He or she gives a person voice, a means by which to express themselves in a way they may never have otherwise been able to do. Do you need one? Well, if you've got some things to say and you're not sure how to say them, maybe so. If you can write well, you may or may not need a ghostwriter. You may only need an editor. I'll be talking about editing in a future video. You may be able to write well, but you just can't get your ideas organized. That's a good reason to hire a ghostwriter. You may be able to write well, be super organized, but you're just incapable of getting yourself started or sticking with it. Face it, some people just don't have the self-discipline to sit down and write an entire book. It can be a painstaking process. Another good reason to hire a ghostwriter. Whatever your reasons, if you decide you want somebody to help you express your ideas, you might want to consider a ghostwriter. In another video, I'll be talking about what to look for in a good ghostwriter and, more to the point, what to stay away from. I'm Jerry Payne. You can learn more about me at yourconfidentialghostwriter.com, or follow me here on YouTube, where I'll be dishing out helpful advice and practical tips from the world of writing. Thanks for joining me.